These pieces are 14mm round mild steel, about 11 inches long. I'm making one of my RA Tongs, that is rivet-less adjustable tongs, and I'm making this for a giveaway. It's courtesy of Brett Thompson. Thanks very much, my friend. This giveaway is open to anyone. Just leave a comment and use the word enter somewhere in that comment. Enter drawing, or just enter, or enter the dragon, whatever you want. I'll do the drawing during my next live stream, which should be one day after I post this video. A new policy for my giveaways is anyone who donates on a recurring basis, be that through Patreon or PayPal, or who's given a recent donation, even if it's just $1, doesn't need to comment to be entered. You'll automatically be entered. But you can leave a comment if you want, but it's not necessary. And so, speaking of donations, I need to give a shout out to Gregory Miller for his recent, very generous donation. Thanks very much, Gregory. I also need to shout out Glen for becoming my latest Patreon supporter. Much appreciated, and nice name. As per my new giveaway policy, both of you gentlemen are automatically entered. Once it's completed, this tong will be closer to 12 inches long. I get some gray fine scale color on the back of these pieces, and then I'll take a break for lunch. Okay, I'm back, and now the real fun begins. Up to this point, working on these separate halves has been relatively easy. Now putting them together and adjusting is the real tricky part with this RA Tong. My forge needs a few minutes to get back up to heat. At this point, getting the two halves together and to work properly is a real balancing act. You can't just smash the two parts together. Like I said, this can be tricky, much more tricky than a standard tong. It's a lot of eyeballing, adjusting, and readjusting. As the jaws open, as much as possible, I try to maintain them parallel to each other. So there's my completed RA Tong, ready for a new owner. The adjustable feature of this tong really gives it appeal. Good luck to all with this drawing, and I'll catch you guys at the live stream.